I will invite the Vice Chancellor of the university to give them. Then for the best thesis in the sciences, and the person is the one that also has the overall best thesis in the University of Lagos this year. The name is Ajibade Oluwaseyi Ayodele, PhD Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. I want the Chancellor of the university to make the award, the Chancellor of the university. Thank you very much, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I now have the honor to invite all graduating students who have completed their Doctor of Philosophy degree to come forth for a handshake with the Chancellor. I will read their names one after the other. You move forward. The first person is Zachariah Kudirat Ibilola, PhD building, G8 building, PhD building. Bello Said Adesombo, PhD Theatre Arts. Adepoju Babatunde Ezekiah, PhD English. This person is our own, Bello Fadaka Ivioko Olufunmilayo. She is a Deputy Registrar in the University of Lagos, and she will be awarded a PhD degree in adult education. Next is Olariwaju Adeniyi Damilola, PhD Management. Omeje Osita Uchechukwu, PhD Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Kolawole Moforunso Samuel, PhD Geology. Ogunkoya Olufemi Adewale, PhD Management. Ogunbambo Mogbojubola Mutias, PhD Fisheries. Adejare Abdullahi Adeyinka, PhD Physiology. Ogunlade Babatunde, PhD Anatomy. Falobi Oluwole Victor, PhD Business Education. Agbo Benedict Usman, PhD Biochemistry. Sode Oluseyi Olasoji, PhD Organizational Behavior. Amusa Oluwafemi Daniel, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Okolie Victoria Ogon, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Akpaneka Grace Asupo Ambrose, PhD Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Babarinde Aderonke Oyefunke, PhD Economics. Atuegu Antonia Nneka, PhD Guidance and Counseling. Akinjogunla Victoria Folakemi, PhD Fisheries. Amusa Jamiu Oluwadamilare, PhD Educational Physics. Eboka Kennedy, PhD Sociology. Adejare Quadri Adekunle, PhD Surveying and Geoinformatics. Okpala Okwe Peter, PhD Accounting. Oloke Muritala Akorede, PhD Religious Education. Okuwareke Azuka Patrick, PhD Biochemistry. Ajeyalemi Oladipupo Fororunsho, PhD Marketing. Adeleye Oluwatoyin Adebola, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Thomas Benjamin Toa, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Kọ́lé Oṣó Rukayat Àkànkẹ́, PhD Computer Sciences. Òní Miriam Adéjọkẹ́, PhD Guidance and Counseling. Fásọ̀rántí Afọlábí Joseph, PhD Health Education. Afuye Adébáǹgbé Adéṣọlá, PhD Sports and Exercise Psychology. Òní Michael Ọlátúnjí, PhD Philosophy. Jayanta Kumar Srileka, PhD Education Physics. And let me say that this is one of our international students. She is from India, by name Jayanta Kumar Srileka. She is an Indian lady, PhD Education Physics. Ofoka Chinoyelu Linda, PhD Applied Entomology and Pest Management. Obo Collins Sankey, PhD Accounting. Abbas Olufemi Adebowale, PhD Risk Management and Insurance. Dansu Senwenu Francis, PhD Risk Management and Insurance. Williams Fadera Adebimpe, PhD Architecture. Ofuani Anwanei Babara, PhD Management. Abazu Uchenna Desmond, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Ibe Patricia Odichnaka, PhD Cell Biology and Genetics. Efretwe Edak Uno, PhD Guidance and Counseling. Ngoladi Ifebuzo Donatus, PhD Educational Psychology. Nwagugo Johnson Uzodinma, PhD Sociology of Education. Olanipekun Olajumake Omowumi, PhD Educational Psychology. Faleti Olufunke Adebimpe, PhD Educational Administration and Planning. Nsi Rosetta Ifeoma, PhD English Literature. Onaolapo Folusho Anna, PhD History and Strategic Studies. Elegbeleye Owóyẹmí Wahab, PhD Marine Biology. Salawudeen Mutias Motolani, PhD Fisheries. Owosho Sirajuddin Adedotun, PhD Philosophy. Adewoyin Adeyinka David, PhD Physics. Humphrey Ibifubara, PhD Physics. Aneyo Idowu Ayisat, PhD Environmental Toxicology and Pollution Management. Babatunde Shakirat Adepeju, PhD Accounting. Oni Bolahan John, PhD Adult Education. Ajiboye Adebisi Abiola, PhD Adult Education. Ajayi Juliet Adesimi, PhD Adult Education. Sanyaolu Arinola Omolara, PhD Anatomy. Onyeka Chika Anna, PhD Anatomy. Jobi Akinfolarinde Adekunle, PhD Architecture. Johnson Babatunde Mokolade, PhD Architecture. Dawodu Olufunke Grace, PhD Biochemistry. Adeniran Sunday Adebumi, PhD Botany. Ajika Linus Bashi, PhD Botany. Annie Emmanuel, PhD Botany. Alebiosu Olugbenga Shadrach, PhD Botany. Norza George Isaac, PhD Botany. Akinshola Olufemi Emmanuel, PhD, Building. Oketoki Tokwe Oluwaseun, PhD, Cell Biology and Genetics. Olatunde Abayomi Olaniyi, PhD, Chemical Engineering. Oladosu Najim Olalekan, PhD, Chemistry. Olokodana Oluwatoyin Yetunde, PhD, Theatre Arts. Chukwu Victor Chijioke, PhD, Music. Oluwatade Joseph Olubukola, PhD, Music. Olaniran Olakunle Latif, PhD, Sociology of Education. Ehirime Patricia Eyinome, PhD, Guidance and Counseling. Adedigba Sunday Olugbenga, PhD, Measurement and Evaluation. Agomo Atinuke Omalola, PhD, Educational Administration and Planning. Omaru Joy Aroture, PhD, English Literature. Obioha Robert Nwabueze, PhD, English Literature. Adiele Promise Okeadigu, PhD, English Literature. Nnorom Polinius Ndume Opcha, PhD, English Language. Oraoku Chinyere Obiageli, PhD, Geography. Osaru Wense Charles Osarinumesi, PhD, History and Strategic Studies. Oweye Olayinka Taiwo, PhD, International Law. Akinigbagbe Ruth Oluwatoyin, PhD, Fisheries. Omogoriola Anna Omoloye, PhD, Marine Biology. Achileke Nkechi Mariana, PhD, Marine Biology. Akinsulire Muyosore Christiana, PhD, Marine Biology. Bolaji Dunsi Abimbola, PhD, Marine Biology. Eto Opa Priscilla Enilusun, PhD, Marine Biology. Fatumbi Ephesus Olusoji, PhD, Mathematics. Oyekeye Manasseh Olusegun, PhD, Mechanical Engineering. Druwaye Stephen Idowu, PhD, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Agbeleye Ademola Abiona, PhD, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Obiekeka Victoria Dumebi, PhD, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. MOD Jonathan Emeka, PhD, Pharmacology. Oladimeji Salami Joy Anwulika, PhD, Pharmacology. Salako Olanrewaju Alani, PhD, Pharmacology. Oyebade Olumide Oyewole, PhD, Philosophy. Igwe Isaac Chidi, PhD, Physiology. Saka Waidi Adeoye, PhD, Physiology. Oyesola Tolulope Oluyemisi, PhD, Physiology. Ogunshola Abimbola Oluseyi, PhD, Physiology. Igbari Titilope Oluwatobiloba, PhD, Physiotherapy. Ayeni Oyeyemi Bukola, PhD, Psychology. Eziama Uju Peace, PhD, Psychology. Adedeji Olufolakemi Victoria, PhD, Psychology. Adeneye Samuel Olaolu, PhD, Medical Physics. Fagbohun Phillips Oyewole, PhD, Urban and Regional Planning. Kolawole Odunayo Tawakalitu, PhD, Adult Education. Keshinru Abiodun Olukemi, PhD, Adult Education. Iwuala Emmanuel Nkema Kolam, PhD, Botany. Chidi Nnamdi Ifechukwude, PhD, Botany. Ogunriade David Olusegun Adebowale, PhD, Music. And next name, the popular name, Paul Elin, PhD, Theatre Arts. Paul Elin, PhD, Theatre Arts. Adeyemi Olusola Smith, PhD, Theatre Arts. Musa Ganiyu Olayinka Samuel, PhD, Economics. Oluwamusami Shola Grace, PhD, English Language. Sobola Lawrence Eniayo, PhD, English Language. Anowu Anthony Elisha, PhD, English Language. Odueme Eduama Frances, PhD, English Literature. Osuji Clara Ijeoma, PhD, English Literature. Ukabam Titilayo Adetoun, PhD, Estate Management. Uchegulam Okezie, PhD, Geophysics. Ame Loko Anthony Aduojo, PhD, Geophysics. Asala Bayo Thomas, PhD, History and Strategic Studies. Alade Sokun Toluwalase Adedoyin, PhD, Health Education. Agoro Alexander Afolabi, PhD, Sports Administration and Management. Okide Ujubuonu Juliet, PhD, Igbo Literature. Anyachebelu Adaora Leos, PhD, Igbo Literature. Elesin Alimat Folake, PhD, Yoruba Language. Akamo Raimat Titilade, Marine Biology, PhD. Aloko McDonald Damilola, PhD, Mathematics. Aroloye Soluade Joseph, PhD, Mathematics. Onogo Harrison Okechukwu, PhD, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Ajibade Oluwaseyi Ayodele, PhD, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Usman Sikiru Olatunji, PhD, Pharmacology. Amechi Paul Obiakara, PhD, Physics. Ojo Samuel Akinjide, PhD, Physics. Goma Ruth Omafuwe, PhD, Psychology. Oweye Olugbenga Adekile, PhD, Psychology. Chukwu Ngozi Susan.